Good morning, everyone. I'm so excited, y'all not be excited. But I didn't forget. I was really sleepy last night and did not end the vlog. Or I didn't end off the night. So last night when we got back from Rosa Negra, the food was so good. I had shrimp risotto. So good. If you love risotto, ooh, that's like the best I've ever had. Seriously, it was so delicious. And then after that, y'all, it was like a party there. I was so exhausted. I had the Dirty Bird was my drink. It was strong. It was pretty good. It was strong though. It was small, so I was like, oh, I'm probably gonna need like another one, you know. No, that drink was strong and it was good though. But yeah, y'all, this was the next day. We actually had an excursion planned today. However, this excursion was like an hour and a half away, and we had to wake up at 7:30. So I feel so bad, but we did not make it. We did not make it, but it's okay because we booked another one with a different company for tomorrow for a later time. So, you know, because I'm not waking up at 7:30 on vacation. That was a mistake on my part because when I booked that, I did not know it was going to be that early, and I did not know it was going to be that far away. But anyways, yeah, so we're about to, it's very hot out here. Like, it feels like it's 110 degrees, honestly, but... So yeah, y'all, I think we're dressed. We're actually on the phone. And it's like the reception is so bad, so when we leave, the calls drop. But anyways, we're about to leave. We're up and we're dressed. We're about to leave, and I think we're about to go to Raw Love, and then we're gonna find us some food, and then we're gonna go to the Grand Cenote. I'm excited. I am excited. So let's go, y'all. Let's go. The traffic is crazy. Everything be like 4 miles away, 2 miles away, but it'd be like 40 minutes. Like literally, it'd be so long because the traffic it's one way down the strip and one way back, and it's crazy. Okay, traffic crazy. I learned that last night. Like you will literally watch your GPS go from like a four mile, you know, destination. It'll go from like 40 minutes to an hour 15, then back to 48, then 58, then an hour and 40. You know, it's like crazy while you're sitting here driving. It's crazy. So yeah, also we have had to put our GPSs in, like put our destination in before we leave, because the Wi-Fi is so crazy. Like everybody has Wi-Fi, but everyone's trying to get on it, so it's like not very strong. So it sucks really badly. Like you have no connection unless you're connected to some Wi-Fi. But anyways, y'all, we about to have fun today, so let's get into it, okay? Okay, y'all, I'm hot as ever, okay? Like literally sweating bullets, literally. But we just rented this scooter at this scooter rental place. We're about to go to Raw Love and then go to some cenotes. So we figured it'd be like the parking is so awful, the traffic is awful, so we figured it'd be easier to get a scooter. But it's hot. Like I cannot do this without air conditioning. Seriously, like this is the type of heat that I'm not used to. So I don't know how long I'm gonna last. We're gonna see. Cause your girl right now, I'm not feeling this heat. Not right now. Not never. I know I'm not good with heat. But yeah, we got these scooters. We're about to see. We got these scooters from this place right here. They got ATVs, they got these mini Jeeps. But this is easier to get by in the scooter, so that's what we did. And we about to go, y'all. This trip, you see how I was one way in, one way out? Look. That's not becoming traffic. Right now, the traffic not that bad. Oh my god, yup. My helmet's sitting up like a visor. My hair's so big. Oh my god. It's really scary. No, the restaurant right here.
Oh, this is probably one of the free spots to go to the beach we talking
Y'all, look how the bill come in this little pouch. Oh, what is it called?
about.
Jicama? Okay, thank you. Look, that was really good. I asked him what this was. And he said jicama. He said it's like a baked sweet potato. So he just came and showed me. Okay guys, so we're at the Grand Cenote and we have to take a shower first. So these are the showers over here where these people are. And we're about to get in. Okay. Look at the turtles right there. You see them? Let's see. My Nana always telling me she can't see the animals I be talking about my vlog. So we're gonna put me up, y'all. There you go, Nana. There go the turtles. Right there and right there. This is the Grand Cenote. The big one. They got snorkeling equipment you can rent and everything.
That's deep.
Oh, wow. So I just jumped in there. Alright, you gotta go down.
I want to jump from right
No. You're crazy.
Right off this ledge.
Are you crazy? Why do you have these crazy thoughts? Look at this iguana. He don't got no tail. It's growing back though. He a big boy. Oh yeah. You know, I was talking about him. Ew. What kind of gross looking when it grow back? Look at all the turtles. Oh my goodness. The little babies. Oh my gosh. They're everywhere.
Tayla, you got my ID? You don't got my ID?
Look at the turtles. Ew. This algae is gross. Ew, the bugs. It's a baby one. Look at the baby. Where the locker at?
39.
Did you get my ID? All the turtles, I'm like in love. Look at the turtles, babe.
Yeah, that's sweet.
Y'all, I'm out here at 35 feet. Can you believe it? Because I can't. And it's bats back there. And I'm out here. Y'all know how I feel about bats. I do not mess with them. Like last time in Aruba, I know y'all remember that. But we out here, y'all. It's 35 feet deep. And I'm really tripping. I'm really out here.
Look at Tayla out here catching fish in Tulum.
Oh, he just jumped into my damn jacket.
God damn it.
Did you see the fish on there? Oh, yeah.
Hello.
Hi guys. So I don't know if it look weird. I'm looking into my screen, not my lens, but you know, anyways. We just got back. I'm so tired. I know y'all be telling me that I'm tired, but seriously, we just got back. See. Anyways, we just got back from the Grand Cenote. And also, we rented a scooter, so we'd be on a scooter all day, like exploring. And then we went to the Grand Cenote. That was so fun. That was 35. I was in water that was 35 feet deep. A 35 feet drop off. I was in the middle of it. I'm just getting a little too courageous. You know, I feel like every trip I get a little bit more and more, like a little bit more courage every time. Now I'm just trying all these crazy things. But no, it was so much fun and I'm happy I did it. First I was like, I'm sure my boyfriend had fun. I pray for you, good luck. Like I was like, I'm gonna stay on the shallow side, I'm gonna sit with the turtles, you know. I was not about to go out to that little drop off, but I did it and it was fun. Like, if it didn't feel like it until you looked underwater, then you're like, okay, that's deep. But it didn't look like it. It was so much fun. And then what did we do? Oh, we went to this little pizza place after, because I had worked up appetite. Y'all know the water plus the sun, y'all know I'll be hungry. So I had worked up an appetite. We went to this pizza place. I forgot the name of it, but I did get it for y'all. It was on the strip and like, you know, a little touristy area. And what else do we do? That's it. That is it. So yeah, we are back here at our room for a second. We're about to go into the pool until it's time to get ready for dinner. We are supposed to be going to Back by Harry today. Back by Harry. Yeah, we're supposed to be going to Back by Harry today for dinner. So that's another exciting, fun dinner time. So if you guys are going to Tulum or ever looked into Tulum or even heard about Tulum, I'm sure you probably heard of Rosa Negra and Back by Harry's. Those are like the two places for dinner that you just gotta go to. Like you just gotta experience that, you know. Like it is a bit much, like because you're eating dinner, but you know, it's super fun. Like why not? You're on vacation, why not, you know? So it's plugged up. And if you haven't already, make sure you check out my Cancun vlogs, because we were in Cancun before we came here to Tulum. And we are still in Tulum. More Tulum vlogs coming, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to turn on post notifications on, because we're coming with the vids back to back, okay? The vlogs are coming back to back, so do not be the last one to know because your post notifications aren't on. So I will see you guys later, and thank you guys so much for watching.